Another sunrise and another day of challenges to tackle. The team had one job. Guess how that's going?
We're behind schedule, and I have no idea why.
Yeah, it looks wrong. Really wrong.
Beat pieces hate each other, apparently.
Enter the drone. Their last hope, or just expensive hovering. Real-time data, because guessing wasn't working out.
Let's see if this thing's worth all the fuss.
Please tell me where we screwed up.
Every brick matters. No pressure.
Turns out data beats panic. Pieces clicked, workers hustled, magic happened.
Wow, we're actually on track.
Extreme Aerial just saved our asses.
This is what it looks like once we stopped guessing.
Victory tastes like plastic bricks and vindication.
I can't believe we finished it on time.
Vibes for not getting fired.
Teamwork plus technology equals not sucking.
Track your site's evolution with precision reports. Weekly, bi-monthly, or monthly, your call. Delivered before your OAC meetings. You're welcome.